see that, America? Do you see that? Or the world? Look at this. Look how much that costs. A motherfucking. Look how much that costs. $7. $7 to ride the motherfucking Easy Pass lane. $7 fucking. Are you serious? But look at the fucking traffic. Fucking fucked up. The traffic is motherfucking fucked up. That's the thing about all of it. The traffic is fucked up. That motherfucker's got some big ass tires on that bitch. That bitch look nice. But the traffic is all fucked up. Look at that. You can't even hardly see the red lights. Hold on, let me see if I can get that shit. See if I can get that shit better. Look at all the red lights right there. Traffic fucked up, so at least I'm passing all them motherfuckers there. Cause them motherfuckers on brakes. Them motherfuckers on brakes. I'm on 65. Right? I'm on 65. Them motherfuckers on brakes. I'm on 65. The motherfuckers on brakes. I'm on 65. Motherfuckers on brakes. I'm on 65. Motherfuckers on brakes. Got a pocket full of stone. A trunk full of wood.